Welcome back to our channel. And today what we are going to be doing is showing you our best friend slime. Please subscribe, comment, and like the video. And turn on post notifications if you want to be featured in our other videos. Okay. So let's get on to the video. Okay. So this is our best friend slime. She is a little melted, which is okay because I got activated, which is pretty strong. You want to mix too? No, it's just okay. I know I'm poking with 4 fingers. Not my fault. So satisfying, right? Let me just mix all this activator. Okay. I almost fell.
You good on there?
No talking under your camera. Remember, cameras don't talk. I'm kidding. Ah! Let's add some more.
Is your mother in the house here, Shy?
Yeah. Look how, look at Hayden's hair for a second. It's so poofy.
That's one poofy hair.
Okay. Move your finger.
Hey guys, I'm going to be spending the night with Sonia.
Tonight, we would make a video, but I don't know. We might.
On your channel?
I try, but it doesn't work. I guess me and Hailey's only channel is just this one. But me and Hailey, well, Hailey's phone is cracked really bad, and yeah, it got phone pieces in it. And Shopkins in it. Because Hailey...
We made that in the winter, so we added little winter Shopkins in it.
It's still soup stick.
Attack it.
Okay. Aggressive. Much. You best believe it, baby. Okay. I like this noise for some reason. I know I'm poking with 4 fingers. It's not my fault. I have to.
So we try poking with one.
I like poking with 1 finger sometimes.
But that slime is big.
Okay. It is super stretchy. It is this like peachy pink.
It's actually peach. A lot pink.
But we added yellow in it too. And orange.
A whole big bottle.
Me and Hailey will be making more gallon of best friend slimes. They're all going to be different textures.
We should make a best friend smoothie.
And it is a whole gallon of glue because our friendship is
A gallon.
way more than
More.
a gallon.
So you guys should have put more gallons.
Yeah, we're adding more gallons to it.
Like,
So
In
right
future
now,
videos, if you want to watch us make it.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, tell them what is going to be happening to something at my house.
Oh! So guys, we are also going to be having a yard sale. And we are going to be making her room, well, outside. It's not her
a
room.
building.
It's a building. And we're going to make it our slime room and our video room. And all the money that we make for
The
our
yard.
yard sale, we are going to be making them for videos so you guys can like our videos more and they'll be more fancy
Aesthetic.
and professional.
3 minutes. We're trying not to make this
4.
video too long
Just
anyway.
just want to turn it into 4.
I really love this slime. It has...
And we also added,
Oh, let me show you my bruise that I got at softball yesterday.
Want me to show
How
you?
bad that is.
that is bad. It's
It's right there.
It hurts really bad. Okay. And it has like fake snowflakes in it, which poke sometimes. Because our friendship can be a little pokey. Yeah.
Why don't you explain all the parts of the slime and why you chose to do them?
Well, at the time, me and Haley wanted to make this a really beautiful butter slime. But then we just didn't have enough clay to do it.
So now it's just like a little bit of butter.
Explain the color.
Yeah, it's kind of a butter. It's like really creamy.
Explain why you chose pinkish, orange, yellow.
Because we both like pink. And
Peach. I love peaches.
our friendship is tickled pink.
Or it's also peach.
Yeah, it's peachy babies.
Okay, and why did you add the...
Snowflakes?
Yeah.
Because we didn't have enough clay and we wanted it to have texture. We also added little Orbeez, which also gave it some texture.
What about the Shopkins? What did those mean to you guys?
Like,
6 minutes.
for 6 minutes. The Shopkins we just put in there for like charms and like some more texture. But that's about it.
Do you guys like
And it's super
Shopkins?
glossy.
What is your favorite part about your friendship?
And Sam is my favorite part.
Yeah, if you don't know, Haley calls me Siam because my brother can't really pronounce my name right.
And what do I call you?
So that's how I got
Slime?
it from.
And Rhonda calls me Slime.
Because she plays Slime.
Oh,
And it's kind of like Haley's, but Slime.
and it sounds a bit
What
different.
should we call you guys? Comment down below. We love you guys so much, and we really hope we get to see you guys next time. Bye, guys!